In this video today, we want to discuss. Welcome viewers. The question what we're discussing today is that after giving birth, at what month or what year can couples begin to come together again in the other room?
Well, it depends on the health of the woman and the kind of delivery the woman had. Like someone that delivered normally without any cut or whatever through the vagina.
Wait. Kí ni aṣọ yìí ṣe bó ṣe rí ni?
Náà bí bá ti mú wọn, ó ti bẹ́tà wọn.
Ó bẹ́tà wá. Okay, continue.
Ṣé ẹ máa edit
Continue,
wọn?
sir.
So, someone that delivered the child through the vagina without any serious cut or tear. I think after, and she's okay. You understand? That's why I said it depends on the health of the mother. If she's okay, she's fine, no problem.
In like how many months does the healing of the
At
vagina
least
takes?
you-
If you're a normal
you-
delivery, no cut, nothing.
Without any cuts. That's why I said no problem. I know of a woman that said after 2 weeks that
2 weeks.
yes,
Everything was perfect.
that she started. I know of a woman like that.
Okay.
Then I heard of another woman. In fact, the girl she gave birth to is married now.
Okay.
So the firstborn and the secondborn, I don't think the age, she's, in fact, according to her, she said it was not up to a month that she discovered that she was pregnant. That's when after she gave birth to the baby, that she just discovered that she was pregnant. And by the time she went for test, it was like they told her maybe 6 weeks or so. Do you understand? Since she was okay, so it depends on the baby. But normally, if the man can understand with the woman, I think 1 to 2 months, if the woman is perfectly okay without any cut or whatever. Then, if it's through the CS, do you understand? It can take maybe 3, 4, 5 months, depending on how healthy the woman is
How
also,
soon the healing
and
of
how soon, yes,
the surgical wound.
yes is. Do you understand? So, and I've heard of another woman that said, in fact, the husband was there while she was, giving birth to the baby, that the husband ran away. That he said it's after 1 year that she'll be able to. So I don't know how true is that, because I'm not living with them. But according to her, and she happened to be a pastor wife, so she said the husband did not even come near her at all, not until 1 year. So
What about those who have caught in the process of
those who
delivery?
have cuts, like my first child, I had, in fact, the cut was much. Do you understand? So I can't remember. I think it's up to 3 months or before the whole thing,
Heal
we
up.
healed up completely. Because okay,
Talking about the process of healing up of the VG when after delivery, are there anything you need to do to speed up the healing or to make the healing
yes, the
easier?
doctor will tell you, or the matron, they will tell you what to do. When
Okay.
I had the firstborn and the cut, so I was told to always sit on a warm water with
Disinfectant.
yes, Dettol or something like that.
Disinfectant.
Yes. So the woman said morning, afternoon, and night. But when I went back, the healing was very slow. So
Okay.
she insisted, but later she said I should see doctor. So when I told the doctor was asking that how hot was the water. So I said, when she said warm, the doctor said no, that she make it hot. Meanwhile, hot water. Meanwhile, my mom was insisting then that the water should be hot. I said no, they said it shouldn't be hot, that because of the tear. And to sit then, for me to sit on the water was not so easy, so I had to get something high so that I will not be able to. I think that was what the matron was trying to say, that because if the water is too hot, that the something might lose and it can lead to bleeding. At times matron, maybe based on their experience or something like that, but the doctor was like the water should be hot. But later I was using that hot water. In fact, there was a time I had to put a very neat towel, put it inside the very hot water and the Dettol, then I squeeze it a bit, then I put the something in the vaginal. So I now closed my lap together. It was very, very painful, but I discovered after doing that for about few days, there was improvements. Do you understand? So like that was how I continued. So by the time I had other children too, I wasn't sitting on the bowl or whatever. So I started using that same method. Do you understand? And it worked.
But that method you are using, clean towel or was
clean? That was why I said very. In fact, I remember it was a new towel, because you have to very, very careful,
so that you don't cause
so
infection,
that you don't have a
infection. So you don't cause infection. Some people after giving birth, they find their VG, because the baby have come out of the VG, so they find it difficult to the size. The size is expanded.
Okay.
What do you have to say to that? Is it going to close up naturally, or are there anything they can do?
Well, with time, it's we definitely close up with time, but it can never be like how it was before. The only thing is that the woman needs to exercise more. There are lots of exercise
like walking, jogging, cycling.
There is even one that I read about, which I've been doing also, and I discovered that it's fine. So most time I will raise my two legs on the wall, then move my hips very close to the wall. I was doing that. Then another one, my two legs, I will join the two legs together and try as if I want to use squats. Now, what do you call it?
Yeah.
So I will just do that. Then at times one of the leg, move it to the front. I read about it that it's helped too. So I usually do that. I think.
But some people are recommending. They used to recommend that you can sit on something, you can sit on this, then those things can tighten the VG. What do you?
That's when you just put to bed.
No. Yeah. Some people normally.
They say you should sit.
Yeah, sit on something. Some people have they are bothered that their VG is big. They want it to be tight.
Yes, there is another one. It's like sit up. You sit as a woman, then you join your two legs together and you rest your back. Yes, I remember I used to do that also. I read something about that.
When do you do that? Too. When?
On the.
When? During pregnancy?
After you have put to bed now.
Okay.
So after you have put to bed.
All right.
It's not during pregnancy.
Is there any other thing you think any other advice for new mothers and other
new mothers?
Children? We
need to take good care of ourselves. Very, very important. Because my prayer is that we give birth to the children, and with all the stress and the like. My prayer is that God will spare our life, we live long and in good health to eat the fruits of our labors, both we, the mother, and also the fathers. So as a woman, we just need to take good care of ourselves. If you are rich, if you have money, take care of yourself. Even if you don't have money, try as much as possible, take good care of yourself. Then I eat well, good food. Then let's reduce thinking. Also, I discovered something few days back, that this thinking of a thing will not solve any problem. It will rather, add more problem to the one you are facing. Do you understand? We need to take good care of ourselves, eat well, then relax. Let's find time to sleep. When you sleep, in fact, you forget about whatever. Then by the time you wake up, you feel refreshed and the like. Then about the house chores and all that, do the one you can. Do the one you can. Yes, we want our house to be neat, and we can't do everything that day. It's not possible. So the little you can, you want to sweep, you want to mop, do it. You want to clean up this. And when you have a grown up children also, you train them.
Or you have a house help.
And if you have housemates, you don't, at least it will reduce your stress, definitely. So if you have grown up children, you start training them. In fact, start training your girls maybe from age 5, 6 on how to sweep, wash plates, and some minor things they can do for you. Do you understand? So don't just say, my baby, they are still young, that this, then you do everything yourself. If you go, the children will live their life. If the man really try, maybe after 1 or 2 years, he will wait and remarry. So
all right,
will help us.
Thank you for the advice. I'm sure that viewers seeing this video today are going to heed the advice and that have been given. Now, if you have any questions or comments regarding what you have discussed in this video, you can drop it in the comment section below, just below this video, and then we are going to come right there to respond. So if there's any topic that you are concerned about and you want us to discuss, talk about, you can ask the question also in the comment section below, and we are going to come around to respond to the question. So we are going to call it a day for this video at this time. We are going to bring another video discussing some areas of families and other things in our next video. And there are many other videos on this channel talking about different things. So now this video that is popping up by the side right from this channel is the next you should go and watch now. So we talk to you in the next one. Until then, bye-bye.
Bye.